Morning friends, today it's sunny Wednesday morning. What I think is sometimes it's good to be bad for the betterment of future. See you in the next status. Friends, I got my parcel. There it is. Menu में है आज बड़ा chicken with ghee rice. I got this from this hotel. As you can see, name of the restaurant is Bridgeway. So friends, I'm here at Bridgeway. As you can see, the name of the hotel, Bridgeway Family Restaurant. I'm here to have my lunch, getting parcel. Yes, this is the update video of metro project going on Mysore Road because of
blonde hair, blue eyes that'll make you faint on sight, but she looks like trouble. Her lips so kissable and poisonous. I know she won't be good for me, but I don't care, 'cause I know it's so rare for a guy like me to get a chance, see the girl like her. I won't waste that chance, 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 waste that chance. Me like I assume they come with a price. She's smiling, but that may just be a disguise. I wanna say hi, but I'm scared she'll kill me. Could we? Will we? Would she? Probably not. But I don't care, 'cause I know it's so rare for a guy like me to get a chance, see the girl like her. I won't waste that chance, 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 waste that chance. She got me low.
friends, this next day. If I take right, this will go to Mysore Road. So I'm taking this another way. It will take another 4 kilometers extra to reach my destination. I'm taking this route because of this hectic traffic on Mysore Road. So friends, as you can see, this is the another route which I used to follow. So friends, this is that another route which I used to follow to avoid that hectic traffic on Mysore Road.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true,